Welcome to another video in the LaTeX tutorials, a comprehensive series. In this video we will talk about section 6.2.8 sums and integrals. The commands /sum and /integral and are used for sum and integrals respectively. For example, we want to write summation n from 1 to 3 x to the power n, then we will have to write it like this: $/sum underscore n equal 1 power 3 and then x to the power n. So let me practice this thing. The $, symbols, and then /sum. So as I write sum, then there is this option. So this option says over here we want n runs from 1 to n. So n runs from 1 and this is up to 3, and here I write x to the power n, and I build this and it is here x power n, and n runs from 1 up to 3. Similarly, however, if the same command is written n line, means with $1, then it will look like this thing, because then it make it is n line. Like for example, I copy this and I write this is the form of an n line summation, and I paste this and I remove $1 from here and 1 from here, and then dot, and I run this, and it is, you see that now it has changed it to like this. If we want that the n line should also look like the offline, then we will have to change a little bit our command. That is, in front of the sum we will have to write display style. So this command to be written /display style in front of it, and then it will become like this. For example, I copy this and I paste here, and here I write display style, and I remove this space, and now look to it, and better we place enter here so that it goes to another line. Now you can see this is the form of an inline summation. Now this one is like this and this one is in the is like offline. So it's the same thing which the fraction and diffraction is doing in the fraction section. Similarly, the product can be written as, instead of sum we will write product, just prod, and it will be written like this. For example, I copy this, see, and I come in here and just write it here, and instead of sum I just write prod, and then I build this and it is like this: n runs from 1 to 3 and x to the power n. Similarly, the same things can be used for this one. To write it as n line, we will have to remove $1 symbol, and if we want to write it is like that one, then we will have to use the display style option, and it will be like this. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next video.